So as you can see, we have connected the flash drive. That's the flash drive over here. So we're gonna connect the flash drive that we just created. So we have just connected the flash drive that we just created. So the next step is, like I told you, get a MacBook keyboard. If it is Windows, you press the Windows button as the option button. But if it is Mac, you press the option button here, as you can see, in order to boot through the system. So all you need to do is press on the power button and also press the option button while pressing the power button. This will, you see, I'm still holding the option button on the Mac keyboard. So I'm gonna hold it until the hard drive appears. In few seconds you will see an hard disk will appear. As you can see, there are hard disks that appeared. So all I need to do now is select my USB drive. So it takes time before it could read, but now as you can see, it is now booting up. Okay, so we're gonna start the installation process. Now we say select the language. English is the default language we're using here, so we click next. So you see, now first of all, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna prepare the hard drive. So all you need to do is open this, go to disk utilities, now all we're going to do is we are going to erase this hard drive. So you can rename the hard drive any name you wish, and then erase. When the erase is done, all you need to do now is close this and then go back to install OS X. So that's the installation menu. So all we need to do is press continue, agree. So those are the two hard disks. Where do you want to install the OS? You press the main hard disk, which is the 2 TB. So now the installation process is starting up now. Bear in mind, the installation takes a little bit of time, so you also need to be more patient with it. Let it install. If it completes, it will bring you a feedback that the installation is complete. Then you can go ahead with what you want to do. A second remaining. Now mind you, sometimes it might say a second remaining, but it might take up to minutes or 3 minutes or 4 minutes. So everything about this installation is just patient, just patient and let it complete, and then you can do what you gotta do. Says preparing to install, your computer will automatically restart. So just wait and let it restart by itself.
Somebody stronger than you now, Gracie. The maximum you carry is 3.
As you can see, the video is a bit blurry because the other phone I'm using has got low battery, so I have to use another phone in order to complete the video because it's taking too long. As you can see, it has restarted now, so it seems like it has finished the installation, so it's going to reboot and start up again. Then we can go to the setup stages.
You still on?
Yeah, I finished. Yeah.
How you?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Just completing this PC, that's the last one. Yeah. Okay. So now we have finished the installation setup. So now